Now for some of these oil changes, I found this repurposed gas can in the trash, and it's actually perfect for flipping a mower over, dumping all the old oil out of it. So that's what we're going to do. Just let it drain. While it's draining, we'll pull this blade off. Doesn't look horrible, but we'll give it a quick sharpen. Clean out under here what we can. It's kind of dirty. Okay, 5/8. Not bad. Just gonna go throw a quick sharpen on this. It looks balanced already. Nice and sharp. It's exactly what you want. Nasty oil. Use this Rotella SA30. Been using this stuff for a very long time. A little low, so I'll throw a little bit more into it. I just ran out of that other oil, so I got some other bulk stuff I'm just going to use up. So I'm going to let it settle, and we'll check the level one more time. Throw some gas in it, see if we can get it to start. Alright, so I haven't tried to start this thing yet, so we'll give it a shot. It's got gas in it now. Runs pretty good. Definitely happy with how this turned out. Now I'm just going to hit it with the pressure washer and I'll get you guys the end of the video. So honestly, this thing turned out pretty good. Don't look the best, but hopefully I can sell it relatively easily. New oil, new air filter, ultrasonic clean the carburetor, spark plug's good, pull cord's still good, and gave it a bath, really cleaned up the bag. I'm kind of happy with how that turned out. But let's get a final look and start of this thing. too bad. This will make somebody a decent mower. On to the next one.